Show you why I like this color palette. Viridian, Permanent Alizarin Crimson, Cadmium Yellow Light, and Ultramarine Violet. Now, I like this palette because if you take the violet and you mix it with some white, we get a beautiful purple, right? And then you take some more of the violet and you take some of the Viridian and you mix those two together and you get somewhere about like a dark blue. We add some white to it so we can see. You get like a nice blue color, which is great because with this palette you don't really have a blue, so you can get a nice blue there. And then if we take just straight Viridian and we mix it with white, we get a nice like blue-green color, which is, oh man, I love this color right here. And then we take a little bit of Viridian mixed with cadmium yellow, and we get a nice bright vibrant green. Oh man, these are like all of my favorite colors here. And then we take some alizarin, and obviously that's quite a red. This is beautiful for like shadow colors or like the dark areas of the lips or anything of that sort. But then if we just add a little bit of white to it, we get a nice hot pink. But then we add a little bit of this cadmium-free yellow, and we get one of my favorite colors, which is like a salmon pink, which is beautiful. This is great for flesh tones and stuff. And then, you can mix those together. This is kind of like an orangey here, actually. So that's pretty cool. But we mix a little bit more white in it, and it goes a little bit more pink. These are great colors that it makes. And then we also, the beautiful part about this palette, the thing that I'm like the most passionate about this palette is you take this yellow, and it may take a second for us to get the correct mixture here. And you take the ultramarine violet and you mix them together, and it darkens down the yellow quite nicely. But if you put more ultramarine violet in it and you keep going, you get a beautiful like gray color. Takes quite a bit of ultramarine violet because the yellow is such a staining color. But once you get that right combination, look at that. Beautiful gray color. And you take some white and you mix it with white, and look at that. That is like almost the same gray color as the gray paper.